So as you ingest this and start thinking about engagement scoring, maybe you already do engagement scoring, maybe this is a new aspect, maybe you have a vendor who does some kind of scoring or modeling for you. Create a query that shows both total engagement score or total likelihood to enroll versus what are your recent engagements, whether that is a score or just raw, like, okay, they're high engagement, but they haven't opened an email, or they stopped sending us emails. Identify at least 3 students whose recent activity has dropped sharply and outline an outreach plan for them. Are you doing something automated in Slate? Like, okay, we do need to build something a little more tailored to this type of student that is falling off. Are you going to call them? Are you going to email them personally? Are you going to text them? What is that outreach plan for those 3 students? It's just a 3-student pilot. What are you going to do? Share your observations and your actions that your plan has, and just take it to the comment section. Let me know how that works out for you. What are you doing? What are you planning?